The Senate begins its probe on a supposed sexual harassment case involving individuals connected with a TV network today. The accused individuals did not attend the hearing, which did not sit well with one of the lawmakers who moved that they be summoned. Daniel Manalastas has the full details.
The Senate panel started its hearing over the allegations of sexual abuse involving an alleged victim, a contract actor for the GMA network. The alleged victim did not appear during the hearing. Instead, his father, former child star Nino Mulak, faced the senators and turned emotional.
Para makita mo yung anak mo na nanginginig at hindi niya halos mahawakan yung telepono niya. Nung kinakwento niya sa akin, yung ginawa sa kanya, lalo na si Jojo Nones po, katrabaho namin lisensya, walang matigas na pulis sa madaling na misis. Siya po yung head writer namin at sobrang galang ko sa kanya, sobrang respeto ko sa kanya. Hindi ko talaga matanggap na nagawa niya sa anak ko. Yung isa naman, hindi ko naman siya kilala eh. Kaya ko lang siya nakilala nung nangyari na yung insidente, pero sobrang sama ko yung loob ko talaga kay Jojo Nones. Makita niyo lang po yung anak ko talaga. Kung paano niya kinuwento sa akin.
Right now, his son is undergoing counseling sessions. Mulak also hit those who tried to muddle the issue.
Nakakasama ng loob na kung sino pa yung may sala. Yun pa yung nagagawang magbaliktad na storya. Kahit sino naman sigurong ama or magulang, ganito rin ang mararamdaman.
The respondents did not attend the hearing, which did not sit well with the senators.
I've just read the letter coming from Mr. Richard Cruz and Mr. Jojo Nones, and I believe that the statements that has been stated here in this letter are unacceptable. I just would like to give a piece of advice to these two gentlemen. Alam niyo, pagka inimbita kayo sa Senado, they move that we subpoena them ad testificandum on the next hearing.
The two allegedly involved in acts of sexual harassment sent a letter to senators denying the allegations. The GMA network, for its part, assured it is focused on the issue and vowed to respond accordingly. They also clarified that the two are not regular employees of the network, but independent contractors.
So what we did was we immediately issued a preventive suspension order to the two being accused by Mr. Sandro Mulak. And now we are waiting for their reply because, of course, we follow the procedures of due process, which is under the Constitution. So iniintay po natin yon. We will conduct a fair and thorough investigation. Nasa contract nila that they are bound by the policies of GMA.
The DOLE said even though they were not regular employees, they still need to answer in compliance with GMA 7 policy.
Sa department po, kami po sa department ay ang aming pong mandato ay siguraduhin na ang bawat establishmento ay nagpo-form ng Committee on Decorum and Investigation at lahat po sila ay merong dapat anti-sexual harassment policy.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.